Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hi, my name's Ross from Nissan Grantham, and here's a video of our Panda Pop. It's very smart in the white. Very classic design. There is a bit of paintwork damage on the currently at the minute, but that would be sorted if you purchased the vehicle. Okay, so that's the exterior. It's a reasonable sized boot for a small car. Quite a bit of shopping in there, or anything you need to carry around. Stylish interior with the black and white finish, with the redder tints for the Fiat. Steering wheel mounted controls. FM radio with Bluetooth media. There's a city driving mode to make it a bit easier in the city and manoeuvring. 5-speed manual gearbox and the petrol engine. Cup holders with USB port. Two seats in the back. Could house 2 children or even 2 adults if need be. That's the Fiat 500. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.